Hello garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. If you love greenery but don't have much time for maintenance, today's video is just for you. We're sharing easy maintenance garden ideas to help you create a stunning, low-effort garden that thrives all year round. Let's get started. Start with plants that don't demand much attention. Succulents, ferns, and perennial shrubs like lavender or rosemary are fantastic choices. They're drought-resistant, need minimal watering, and add charm to your garden. Mulch is your best friend for low-maintenance gardening. It keeps weeds away, retains soil moisture, and gives your garden a neat, finished look. Plus, it breaks down over time, enriching the soil naturally. Raised beds and containers not only look great but also make gardening easier. They reduce backstrain, improve drainage, and keep pests at bay. You can even try self-watering containers for an added convenience. Want to save time on watering? Drip irrigation systems are a game changer. They deliver water directly to the roots, reducing waste and keeping your plants healthy. Set a timer and you're good to go. Grass lawns can be high maintenance, but ground covers like creeping thyme, clover, or moss are excellent alternatives. They're easy to grow, require little mowing, and stay green all year long. Evergreens are a must for a low-maintenance garden. They provide year-round greenery and structure requiring minimal pruning, perfect for adding beauty without the extra work. Reduce the space you need to maintain by adding decorative rocks, gravel, or hardscaping like stone pathways. These elements add a modern touch to your garden while keeping it easy to care for. Add a magical glow to your garden without hassle by using solar-powered lights. They charge during the day and light up at night, no wiring or maintenance required. Keep your garden healthy with a seasonal maintenance schedule. Spend a little time pruning, fertilizing, and checking irrigation systems each season to avoid bigger tasks later. And there you have it, easy maintenance garden ideas to help you create a space that's as effortless as it is beautiful. Let me know in the comments which idea you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening.